Okay, you want to get that foil just into the gutter. So does it need to come my way a bit? Yeah, about 20 mil into the gutter you want it. Yeah. Okay. We can always cut it at the end with the Stanley knife as long as you're in there 20 mil, yeah. Okay. Now pop a couple of spotties in that, just in each corner. The reason we're using this Sisalation foil is because we're going to line the underneath of the ceiling. If you're going to leave it open, then there's no point using the foil, just keep it with the corrugated sheets. Okay there? Yep. Just the one, mate.
Oh, I like to put both in so it doesn't go on.
Yeah. Yeah. One should be plenty.
Give me a second. I got 5 in.
Just use the back of your hammer. That's what the claw's there for, mate.
Oh, for nails.
Yeah, mate. And we want to lap them over about 100 mil.
Yep. Back your way if you can, mate. Yep.
All good?
Just one this time.
Yeah, just the one on each corner, mate. Should be heaps.
Heavy Winston on that.
Yeah, well.